Hi everyone, today we're in the workshop and I'm about to open up a package from a new supplier. Very excited to get this unpacked, so let's go ahead with it. That's the outer packaging off. More packaging. Okay, so let's see what we have here today. Oh yes, we have two nice pieces of European oak. There's a little project that I'm working on. First of all, I must apologise for the noise. It's rather windy here in the UK at the moment, and I also have my laser running. So today we're going to start on a little project with this nice piece of European oak. First job, I'm going to sand both surfaces nice and flat, so it's nice and smooth, so that it gives it a nice buttery feel. As I'm sanding, always safety first, so I need to put on a respirator, even though I do have a standard back, shop vac. So I'll just get ready now. Right, okay, so I've sanded down both sides are really nice and smooth. This is now all ready for the project I'm working on the CNC machine. One thing I did forget to mention, the 3 grits of sanding discs I use, I start off with a 120 grit, then go up to a 240 and then finish it off with a 600 grit. So, right, let's get this into the CNC.